Okay, here. Um, this is Photoshop Elements. You click on Image and Magic Extractor. Okay, takes you to here. There's your foreground color red, right? This is what I want to take away. See what I'm doing here? And you see, open up the brush size, open up some more, bang, open the way up. See? This is what you're doing when you want to remove it, right? Pretty much. Just giving y'all a rough, how you do this when you want to remove the background. That's one of the ways you can do it. Alright. Okay, here's a, what's this? I think this is a smooth it. Yeah, this is the smooth thing. Whoops, Alright. Oh, I hit the wrong thing here. My bad. That's right here. Smooth around real quick. Just giving y'all a rough thing here. Okay. Let me hit preview, see what happens, right? I'm waiting. See? Okay. Yeah, now I'm gonna hit the blue, right? See what I'm doing here? This is the background. Oh, shucks. Here a little more. Just giving y'all a rough thing on how it's done. Right? Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. Gang, 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 ding, 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 ding. Yeah. Okay. Now we hit preview again. Right? Just waiting for it to alright. Okay. Now I'm gonna hit OK. This is just a rough one here, alright? That's okay. See? Now, that's the rock. That's what I removed. I can go back. Alright? Now I'm just gonna add a random image. Just to put the rock in. Hold on there. Come on, open up. Pictures. Right. Open that up. Right. Okay. Go back here. Open up that picture again. And I'm gonna push it over here. Come on. I don't know why it's acting up. Get that there. Go back again. Just want to give me a hard time. What's PNG? No wonder. PNG. What is that? JPEG. Come on. I'll save that. Why is it acting like that? Just one of those days. Save. Yeah, this is how I do it. Save it. Apply. And JPEG. And right. This time to open a new one. Open. Let's see, right? Doesn't want to open that file. What the heck, man? Sorry, just no. Open that file. Right, now, here's the rock. Right? And this is what I did. We're going to put the rock, hold on. We're going to put the rock in right in between there, right? Bang. Fly. The heck happened, man? What's on this one here? That's crazy. I'm just all messed up here for a second. Close it down some. I gotta go back. Now. Okay. Whoa. There you go. Remove the rock. Let's see what happens here. Huh? Just one of those days, right? But y'all get the general idea of what I'm trying to do here. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Right? See what I'm doing, right? Scroll down, scroll down, right? Bang. Alright, now I go here and I hit that and I hit that, and see, that's the rock in the center of the image. That's what I'm talking about. The end of this little tutorial. Oh boy. That's how I did it.